arrived to the mainland. We were in Lofoten Islands. So we arrived to the mainland last night. We flew from Evenes, so Narvik Harstad Airport to Oslo. We stayed overnight here in a small town, Honnefoss. And now we're heading to our second part of the trip, which is pretty much just road tripping a lot. Today is like almost 8 hours and a half on the car total.
Yeah,
right?
but the way that you can see more, so that's cool.
Yeah, no, it's 8 hours. Definitely, like hopefully. I mean, I'm pretty sure once we get closer to the fjords, it's going to be amazing views. So yeah, it's we're gonna. The second part of the trip is mostly trying to see waterfalls in some of the fjords here, and some of the Stave Churches, iconic churches here in Norway. And yeah, we're gonna head to Bergen, which is supposed to be a really nice city. We're gonna also be at a small little town called Hemsedal, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right. And another one called Odda, which are pretty. The Hemsedal is apparently like a skiing town, and then Odda is like the border of a fjord. So it should be pretty interesting to see the views there. So we'll share more views as we get along. Right now we are in a tunnel. It's 25 kilometers long. This is by far the longest tunnel we've ever been. We have 18 kilometers to go. Yeah, it's pretty impressive for us in US. I don't know of any tunnels that are this long. It's quite impressive. Stave Church, and this is how the road there is. We just found a crew cleaning the road, and look how much snow there is in here. So this is the second crew we find on the road, and look at this place. It's completely white. It's snow everywhere. So we're waiting a little bit for the crew to, I guess, finish cleaning up a little bit so we can cross, because it's completely blocked right now. And then hopefully we can get to Hopperstad Stave Church. This is not an avalanche. This is just the crew cleaning up, the road. I guess growing the walls of the road so that people can park. 'Cause I guess this looks like a ski resort or something. turning snow. Getting that Norwegian hot dog. How is it?
Really good.
Check out Stave Church. It's one of those really beautiful black stave churches here in Norway. So let me show you.
Freezing.
It is cold. So we're gonna go to the car, maybe take a couple of drone shots of it. So we're leaving Hemsedal this morning and we're gonna go to a city called Bergen. I don't know how it's pronounced either, but yeah, it's like a 4.5 hour drive. It's supposed to be a very scenic town, so we're looking forward to seeing it and maybe having lunch there, and then heading after that to Odda in a fjord. So we'll show you a little bit of Bergen when we get there. Walking in the streets of Bergen. All right, so we're leaving the Airbnb here in Odda. It's a beautiful location, and we are gonna head to the town to do a couple of shots, and then we're gonna do some waterfalls, and then back to Oslo, because tonight is our last night here in Norway.
Oh.
So we're gonna try to make the most of it.
Yes.
We'll keep showing you guys around.
We are squeezing this last day.
Yeah, we're gonna squeeze this last day for sure. Alright, we just got to Langfoss. You can see it there in the distance. So what do you think?
That's super beautiful.
Yeah, it's let's say partially frozen, 50% frozen, 50% flowing. Wow, this in summer must be really
that
insane.
looks beautiful, yes.
But yeah, the wall is like a white wall, so it looks pretty nice. Let me show you.